Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we need to do is that we make sure that our GPU driver is updated. So to do that, we have different options on how you can do this. So if you have NVIDIA, then you would need to type here NVIDIA, but in my case I have AMD. So I am going to search here AMD, and we have the AMD software right here, but in your case it should be NVIDIA or GeForce right here in your, when you search it right here, that would be the name of your software in order for you to download your latest GPU driver right here. So in my case it will be right here. As you can see, it says driver and software, and I can click on download right here. But in this case I'm not facing any problem, so I will not be downloading this. But in your case, since you are facing problems in your Roblox, then you should click here on download. Then once you have downloaded this, it will automatically install. You don't have to do anything with that. And the next thing is that we're going to ensure that our Windows is updated. So we're going to go into the start menu, and then from here type in Windows and update right there, and you can go here, check for updates right here in the system settings. And now all we have to do is click here on check for updates. But as you can see, in my case I am currently updated, so I don't really have to do anything right here. But in your case, if you have a lot of pending updates, I recommend that you update all of them immediately. And then once you have done all of this, then it should be working right now. But if not, then it's quite plausible that your system might not be not meeting the requirements for the Roblox system requirements right here. So make sure that your PC is meeting these requirements right here. But this is very unlikely because most of the devices right now have at least be able to be not equal right here. As you can see, it's only 1 gig of RAM, so that might be a little too low right here. The minimum requirements of Roblox is very low, so this is very unlikely right here. Your device should be already more updated than this one right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can fix memory dump error on Roblox. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.